So, hello, girls and boys. How are you? I'm sure that you are okay there at home, trying not to get bored too much, although I know it is difficult. I am very good, and today I want to help you with this video with the next natural science task. Okay, here to start in the presentation, I sent you, we talked about nutrients and food containing nutrients. We have talked about the 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Also here in the book on page 20, you can see different groups of nutrients and different groups of food. Apart from that, I send you this presentation to help you with carbohydrates, fat, proteins, minerals. This presentation is very, very important for you because here you've got the Spanish explanation of each type of nutrients. Okay, so what about today? Today we are going to focus on what do different nutrients give to our bodies. Here you can see in quite a simple way. Carbohydrates give us energy, fats build a store of extra energy, proteins help us grow, vitamins and minerals help us to stay healthy. Do you remember on the previous video I told you that they've got kind of similar functions? And obviously we need to drink, especially now, 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, so this is the explanation we see here in our books on page 21. Let me make a zoom in. Here on page 21 in this paragraph you see all this information. Okay, so I want you to read, I want you to study, and what I want you to do here is activity 3. I want you to do activity 3. Activity 3, copy and complete this table. You have to organize all this food in the appropriate nutrients group. And apart from that, I want you to add 3 more examples. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Okay, guys? Copiamos y completamos esta tabla, la rellenamos con los alimentos que nos vienen aquí y además añadimos 3 alimentos más para cada grupo. Okay, guys? Well, easy peasy. Apart from that, I'm gonna send to your parents, I'm gonna send this. I'm gonna send this photocopy, this handout to your parents, okay? In this first page, we've got activity 1 and activity 2 and activity 3. Okay, in activity 1, the only thing you have to do is to circle the hidden nutrients. You have to make circle within all these letters. You have to find hidden nutrients. Okay. Then on activity 2 is like a game, you know, that we have played. Solve the clue to write the words. For example, it says number 1, you have this on your head here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 gaps. And what have you got on your head? 4 letters. Okay, surely you're gonna guess. And then when you finish solving 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're gonna get this, which is the secret word, And finally, with the words in activity 1 and 2, you have to complete this, okay? So, to review, para repasar, en todas estas palabras hay unos nutrientes que están escondidos, tenéis que hacerles el circulito, ¿de acuerdo? En la actividad 2, leyendo estas pistas, iremos completando estas palabras y una vez que las hayamos completado, obtendremos aquí la palabra secreta. En el 3 completaremos toda esta información de este párrafo, completaremos usando palabras del 1 y del 2, ¿de acuerdo? De momento, solo mando esto. Más adelante, en la lección de más adelante, os mandaré la página siguiente que ya tiene que ver con los alimentos. Okay, guys? So, thanks for your attention. Bye bye. See you later.